Hi everyone! Today I will be making cold processed goat's milk soap using English Garden Fragrance by Eroma. I have my hard and soft oils melted and they are at 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and goat's milk and distilled water lye solution is at 93% Fahrenheit. I like to put my lye solution through a sieve, and I have added titanium dioxide to this, which will also make my colours more a soft pastel shade in the end. I'm giving this a stick blend to incorporate the lye and oils, but didn't want to over blend as I was planning to do a pattern with this mix. I have divided the mixture up into 4 jugs for the colours plus my white base. I did pre-mix my colours with a small amount of olive oil, and they are Olive Grove, Eminence, Cerise and Catalina Blue. These are all from my Micro Obsession. I'm giving all of these a light stir before I add the fragrance. I'm adding my English Garden Fragrance, and unfortunately I didn't know that this fragrance accelerated. And even though I've only given these a very light blast with a stick blender, they were thick in a matter of seconds. I had planned to do a coat hanger swirl, but all of this went out the door. So as a last second in the pot plop was all I could manage at this point. I have smoothed out the top and given this a good bang down to get out any air bubbles. For the top I've added some rose and some cornflower petals. Both of these I have purchased from my Micro Obsession, and they're really quite pretty. They'll look great on the top. This will sit on the bench for 24 hours and I'll be back for the cut shortly. It's been just over 24 hours and I've unmolded the soap out of the silicone mold. I really like the petals on the top. It was a great idea to add those. Even though this mixture did seize up, it still was pretty good in the cure time. I'm just using a miter box and cutting the soap through in 1-inch intervals. The designs turned out okay, but I think next time I might actually not add the titanium dioxide to the colours, just to make them a little bit brighter. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video on how I've made English garden goat's milk soap. Thanks for watching.